Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will start Selenium WebDriver topics from the scratch. So, those students who wants to learn Selenium from the scratch, they can follow this video tutorial series. In today's video, we will learn how to open different browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge using Selenium WebDriver. Before we start this topic, first of all, we need to set up the overall working environment on our local device. It may be your laptop or the desktop. I'm sharing you the document and a video link in the description so that you can follow that process to create a proper working environment in your local device. So, let's start the topic. First of all, I will open my Eclipse. Now, I will create first Java project. So you can go to File and New, and here you will see a Java project. In case you cannot see Java project here, you can directly go to Others and type Java. Here you will see a Java project. Select it and click on Next. Now provide the project name. I am giving as automation. Click on Next and then Finish. If you can see this create module info Java, just don't create. Now, if you expand this, you can see GRE system libraries and source files already created. Now, before writing the script, our first important topic is to install the jars. Click on the project name, click on build path and configure build path. I already downloaded all the jars. If you want to install jars, you can go to selenium.java, go to downloads. If you scroll down here, you will download all the jars 4.16.1. Now I will select a class path, add external jars. Here you can see I already downloaded 4.16.1. So I just selected it, go to libraries, Control A, select all. Again go to class path, add external jars, select the rest of the libraries. Open, just apply and close. Here you can see all reference libraries are added. Just refresh the project. Now we are ready to go to write our script. Before writing the script, first of all, we will create a package. So go to the project, right click, go to package, write any name, Selenium automation, Selenium topics. Just finish. Here you can see inside the main project name, there is a source folder, and inside source folder your package is created. Now whatever script we will write, whatever class we will create, everything should be inside this package. Now create a class. Right click on the package, go to new and a class. Give any name, like I am giving like topic 001 open browser. Select public static void main, click finish. Here you can see your first class is created. Now we will use this class to write our first Selenium open browser script. Now what we will do, we will open the browser using WebDriver. Move your mouse. If your jars are installed properly, you can see import WebDriver. Otherwise, you will face an error. Hover the mouse on Chrome driver and you will see import Chrome driver. Now, I will provide the application URL. So there are two ways to write application URL. First of all, we will write driver.get. Here you can see different methods. Select it, write the application URL. I am giving, let's open this one. Let me print the title, system.out.print, and here I will write the title of the application is driver.get title. Or if you want to find out the URL also, current URL, what is the current URL, you can also write system.out.println the current URL of the application is driver.get current URL. Just Control S to save this and run this. As you can see, my Chrome driver open and my application URL launched. Now, and here in the console, you can see the title of the application. This is the text which we written, and this is the text which Selenium find out from the application URL title, and this is the application URL, current application URL. So this is a Chrome driver. Now, what we will do, we will open a Mozilla Firefox. New Firefox driver. Now hover the mouse and you will import the Firefox driver. Control S to save. Rest are the script are same. We will just run it. And the same script will open in Mozilla Firefox. See. And in console, the same application title and URL is printed. Now we will try to open it in Microsoft Edge. Now the same application will open in Microsoft Edge. And if you close this and check, the same title and application current URL printed here. So this is the way you can launch any of the browser with your Selenium WebDriver. In next video, we will see some more topics. Till then, keep practicing and have a nice day.